Hello all. In this video, we are going to discuss about the OpenHRMS Employee Appraisal Module. OpenHRMS is an open source HR management software that envisions in building up a happier workspace. The OpenHRMS is well suited for both the small as well as the large size enterprises. So with OpenHRMS module, it is self-sufficient in managing as well as solving every hurdles that you face in your HR management path. So this video is all about the OpenHRMS Employee Appraisal module. So once you install the appraisal module, you will get the app over here. So this is the appraisal module you can see. So let's open and look into the functionalities of the appraisal module of OpenHRMS. So as we know that appraisal in a company is basically done in order to maintain the motivational process in your company by doing a periodic evaluations of your employee performance. So mainly for that purpose, we are using this appraisal module, and here also this employee appraisal module, we can say that it helps to utilize the best of your human resource tool, and with this employee appraisals module, it helps to strategize to keep them motivational as well as based upon your employee performance level. It can measure your employee performance level and all. So now let's look into the feature. So here you can see the options to create the appraisal. So when you open this itself, in the form you have the option to mention the employee name as well as the appraisal deadline also. And here you have the certain other options under the plan to enable, that is whether the manager, employee and all other details. So here you have the certain other features also. So when you can see that when you enable this option, corresponding the other field that is related to the manager comes in the side, that is to select the appraisal reviewer. So that option also we are having over here, that is we are setting a kind of reviewer for the particular employee who is requesting for the appraisal. So basically here you can select your employee name, and correspondingly here you can select those person who are uh, reviewing your corresponding employees appraisal form. So here we have those options. So here you can select the appraisal reviewer also name, and here you will have the option to select the appraisal form. So basically you can use this functionality, or this appraisal module allows you to create top down or bottom up evaluation plan, and also to give a timely feedback and all. So for this purpose you can do that, and you can also create appraisal plans like using interviews or questionnaires and feedback form also. So that is what you are able to select from here. So these are some of the forms, or you can also create a new form by yourself. So here you can see when you do that, you will have an option to create a new form also, about either a questionnaire also you can do, and you will also have the certain other options over here itself. So as per your need, you can make the layout of the appraisal or the appraisal form that you want to provide. So like this, you can mention the reviewer as well as the appraisal form, and you can then just click on the start appraisal and send the form option. So when you click on that, the corresponding mail would be sent. So this is all about the appraisal that we are having. That is a simple glance of how we can create the appraisal form and what are the features that is involved with it, with the appraisal forms, feedback forms and all. And with that also correspondingly stages also we are having over here. And with this module also you have an option called as survey. So basically here we are having those forms that we mentioned in our appraisal form. So in appraisal form you can create any kind of feedback forms, questionnaires and all. So likewise these are some of the forms that has been passed to some of the employees, and those are filled by them. That is what it is showing, that is those forms that are their status being completed, and those are in progress state and all. So this is what which are showing in the answers form. So in answers you can say or basically see all the surveys and all survey details, which employees has means answered to their questions, questionnaires, or who have seen this corresponding feedback form quiz about the company. So these are some of the surveys that is made. So these are some of the things we can say that we have the with the Open HRMS employee appraisal module. So thank you for watching this video.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, just drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.